Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful makeup look. The first thing I'm doing is to clean my face. Make sure your face is clean wherever you are doing your makeup. Then I go in with my primer, my hydrating primer, to make my face hydrated. I just like it when my face is well hydrated. After you've primed your face, you should do your brows next. You can use your edge control to lay down your brows so as to get a proper shape of your brows, and then use any loose or pressed powder of your choice to dry it down. I think doing your brows first is the best way to do your brows as a beginner, especially because you lean your hands on your face for control and balance. Next thing you want to do is to define those brows. You can use a concealer 1 to 2 shade lighter than your skin tone, and it is going to give your brows a more defined look. And make sure you take your time to blend it out. After that, I like to go in with my foundation from V Beauty Cosmetics. Make sure you use a foundation that matches your shade, and when blending in your makeup, use a fluffy damp beauty blender like the one I'm using in this video. And also make sure you don't use too much foundation whenever you are applying your foundation on your face. And also make sure you take your time to blend in your foundation very well. Take your time so that it can get into your skin and you can get a proper beauty of that foundation. The next thing I love to do is to go in with my liquid blush. For me, I use my red lipstick from Oriflame. You can use your lipstick palette or any red or pink lipstick you have, as long as you can properly blend it in. After foundation, you want to do your concealer, and basically you want to recreate what your face looks like. So you apply your concealer underneath your eye, your chin and your forehead. These are areas that are naturally lighter on your face. So you want to use a concealer that is 1 shade lighter at this stage to highlight your face. Next thing you want to do is to repeat this same process, but use a concealer 2 shades lighter than your skin tone to highlight, and make sure you blend it, but don't blend it in completely. The next thing you have to do is to apply your contour product beside your nose and underneath your cheekbones. These areas are darker than the rest of your face, or let me say like shadows, and you want to recreate that by using a concealer or any complexion product that is 1 shade darker to your skin tone. After blending everything out, I am just going to set it all with a pressed powder. You can use a translucent powder if you have. This is going to prevent the concealer from creasing. Naturally, we have creases under our eyelid that concealer can sink into. This will prevent that from happening. Next thing is to apply my eyeshadow. I like to go in with my foundation as the primer. If you have an eyeshadow primer, you can use it before applying your foundation or concealer. The next thing you want to do after that is to set that concealer with a pressed powder. After that, you go in with your eyeshadow and your eyeliner. Next thing you want to do is to use your fluffy brush and apply your pressed powder all over your face. Next thing to do is to apply your powder blush on your cheekbones and blend it out. When setting your face with your makeup fix spray, make sure your makeup fix spray is working perfectly. Before spraying your face, don't put it too close to your face so as not to damage the makeup, and then go in immediately with your fan to dry it down. And after that, you go in with your seal it spray to seal everything together. And just like that, you are done with your makeup. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.